Hello friends. In this video, we are going to see a demo of our product IOPrint. The mobile application for our product is accessible on the Google Play Store. Go to the Play Store and search for IOPrint. Our application will appear and we can simply click to install it. Open it after the installation is complete. First-time users should register with the application using their credentials. I am signing up using a dummy email address for the demo purpose. After opening the app, you see empty data on all the pages. To get device data, you have to connect your IOPrint device to your application. For demonstration, we are adding a new machine by clicking an Add Products button on My Products. A unique QR code will be provided for each customer when buying the IOPrint device. For a demo purpose, now we are going to scan the QR code of our demo product. Now the machine Ionix demo will be added by scanning the QR code. You can see the sample data of customers and jobs. These are all the sample customer data. The detailed description of customers will be shown by clicking Show More. If we click the Job tab, all job card details for my customer will be shown. As customers, the detailed description for the job will be shown by clicking Show Details. The details such as job name, job number, the customer for whom the job is made, paper dimensions, quantity, plate, status like scheduled, pending, billed, completed, and the sample image of the product. Now we are showing you how to add new customers. Click New Customer in the Customers tab. Fill in all the necessary details in the form. We are putting the customer's name as Ionix, company Ionix, phone number, email ID, address, and GST and click Add. Now the new customer has been added. The newly added customer is shown at the top. In the same way, we are going to create a new job as per the requirements of the customer. Click New Job in the Job tab. Job number will be automatically generated. We are selecting the company Ionics. That means I created the job for the company Ionics. Job name, paper width and height, GSM, plate, and status will be given. Now our job will be added. After completion of the job sample image can be uploaded here by updating the job. There is a search option that will be useful for you to retrieve any data. You can search by job number or search by company. These data will be stored permanently in the database. There is another option called Export as XLS. This is used to export all jobs as an Excel file, which would be handy for you to see and refer to the data. Now we are running job number 10018 on the IOPrint device. You can also see the mobile screen simultaneously. We are entering job number, machine operator code, quantity planned. Long press the Make Ready button for 5 seconds. The device will start monitoring the machine's Make Ready time. After the Make Ready completed, long press the Finish Make Ready button for 5 seconds. The Make Ready time and sheets will get recorded and the device will go to running mode. After the job completed, long press the Finish Printing button for 5 seconds. The number of sheets printed and the time of completion have been recorded. Now the device is ready for a new job. Now if you check job card number 10018, you can see the complete detail of printing like Make Ready time, Make Ready sheets, start time of printing, finished time of printing. The number of sheets printed have been recorded. After the billing has been made for the job completed, you can mark the job as a billed one. You can filter the job card views by their status: pending, scheduled, make ready, running, completed, and built. For queries, please email us at ion@ionics.com.